Now we take case fold method. So in the same manner, I am defining text equal to string. Again, kept welcome to our channel. This is our text. Now I am defining x equal to txt dot. Always we are calling through dot, and then this method we are calling is case fold. I write it here, syntax text for case fold. This is string dot case fold. Now we are calling here text dot case fold and print x. So what it will give? Shift enter. So it is what it is doing. It is lowering our capital letters to small. It is converting uppercase letter to lowercase letter. We are seeing here W, T, O, C. These are uppercase letter. Now it is smaller case letter. So the function of case fold is to convert it into small case letter. Now our next method is center method. So syntax for center method. Method is string dot center. This center. This is the syntax. In next line we will write how to write the syntax. I am defining text equal to my name, RHUL, string format. Then I am defining new variable a equal to text dot center, and I am in bracket we have to define how many letter length we are requiring. Means we have a line of 50 letters, like I am putting here 50. So what will it center letter will do? Center method will do? It will center the Rahul in between the 50 character length. So I am printing A. What it is doing? We have defined it wrong. This is CENTER. Now what it is doing? It is writing Rahul in between the 50 characters center. It is defined 50 characters and it made Rahul at the center of 50 characters. So this is the method, center method. Now we will check count method. Syntax for count method. Is string dot count. Here we have to give a value which we are counting, then start point and end point. Like now I'm taking line B, new line, and I am defining here a text equal to string. Our channel name is programming with Rahul. Then what we have to do? We have to define a new variable a in which we store this, and then txt text dot count, and then we have to give the value which letter we have to count. So I am writing in string format name, and initially if we're not giving anything like start and it is considering the whole string. Let's check this one first. Then print a. So what it is giving? The name is coming one time, so it is giving 1. It is counting the letter. Now if I am defining here name after which character, like 5 2, this is starting, and then end character we have to define, like where this is I'm defining like 50. So in between 5 to 50 it will count the letter. So it is already coming, it's single time it is coming, so it is showing name. So this is our count method.